Oh, look at that bubble.
Look at that milk.
Where's the milk? Zenny's hiking milk.
Oh.
Lactated by Zenny.
Screamed for no reason.
There's like a chunk of something on that one. I'm just gonna remove that.
It's okay. It's gonna add flavor.
Add a lot of flavor. We're gonna have like a little more of a root taste.
Tell us about your sweaty feet, Maya.
They're pretty sweaty.
Oh, didn't see you there.
Peace.
Heck yeah.
Straightening your face.
Love.
Yes, words for everyone.
Kindness.
Woohoo.
Joy!
All right, Claire. My eyes are, there's something in my eyes.
No.
Of the hiker. Yeah.
Of you. I was like, I need a break.
We've got our dinner establishment here. You know, very sanitary. Got some socks on the table. Everything you really need. Yeah, pan over here. Got our tent. Mountain. Convenient bathroom right there. Yeah.
Thoughts on the day?
Oh, it does?
Really good. Good times.